Good evening to all. I hope you're doing well, and welcome to my channel. I'm going to start off by playing Heavy Rain. It's a relatively old game, but it's still fun nonetheless. I've played it once before, but that was probably 2 or 3 years ago, so I don't remember a whole lot. But yeah, just figured I'd say hi and welcome to my channel, and it's going to be just me having fun. Hopefully you enjoy it. Leave me comments on anything you'd like to see or anything you'd like me to change up. And I guess that's about it for right now, so let's get this going. And so it begins. Dang, I never realized. It's 11:22 in the morning and he's asleep still? Man. I don't think I'd be asleep at 11:22 in the morning, especially with all that sunlight. And I will apologize now, I am fighting allergies, so I'm a little stuffy at times. Yep, time to get home dude up. Wish the controls were a little different where you didn't have to hold a button to make them walk. You could just move the joystick and it would do the same.
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
Now, so far he's not working very hard at all. And I know the shower scene's coming up in just a second once I get him in there. I will probably have to edit that one out.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
Well, first, let's make you take a leak, because that's what most guys do when we first get up, among other things. Nope. I think the first time I played this, I never flushed the toilet. Get him nice and clean shaven. Gotta brush them teeth. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Alright. Yeah, you shaved up, look like you're trying to do a little goatee there, but not succeeding very well. Now comes the shower scene that I will probably have to edit out. Just throws the towel on the floor. And we're back. Hopefully that didn't cut out too much. I just know that they're usually pretty finicky about what goes up and what doesn't. So, I'll go ahead and get Homedew dressed here. Fortunately, I don't have to do all these button combos to make him get dressed. Alright, time to get him to head downstairs. Time to perform his morning, or excuse me, almost afternoon ritual. Which I don't even know what that is. Click on some tunes. Into the office. Alright, time to draw. This is the easy part. I think it gets harder when you really get into it. Guess I'll find out now, won't I? I don't think I ever did this when I played the first time. As long as I remember where the buttons are. I'm used to Call of Duty and games like that where you just remember what's the trigger button, what's the grenade button. That was a hard error to see. Not too bad, I guess. Although the button combos are a little odd sometimes. I have to admit, for a probably 4 or 5 year old game, graphics in this are not really that bad. You've got to erase all them amateur lines. Shade in the sky. Final touch, I think.
The plans are coming along nicely. Should be finished by Monday.
Yeah, because it's your kid's birthday, so you don't need to be working the whole day.
Finished. Now I can relax and seize the day. Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time.
I'll make some funky coffee. I've never seen a coffee maker like that before. But there's no telling I'll play with the car. Whee. Yep, put it down before I'm caught. Those are some big doors. You know he enjoys being home alone when he can do that kind of stuff by himself. Not look like a dork. But I guess you gotta do what you gotta do with the kids. I wouldn't know because I don't have any. Well, I'm at the garden, so why can't I do anything? Now there's another one. Okay, well it says garden time, but
It's almost lunchtime. Grace and the kids will be back any minute.
yep.
I'm thirsty. Should be some orange juice in the fridge.
Yeah. Okay, I didn't realize he was just gonna lay down. If I would have known that, I'd have done that 5 minutes ago. I definitely don't remember that here. Ah, not up the stairs. These camera angles get me every time. Man, he just snatched it up. Right out of the bottle. Must be why there's 3. One for him and the wife, and one for each kid. Oh, and they're home.
Hey, take it easy. You're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old. That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Ethan, can you please help me?
I'm coming.
Yep, don't mess it up, because you'll drop him to the floor and then she'll be pissed.
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
I made some pretty good progress. I've just got to work on a few more details, and then I should be ready to present the plans to the client.
Ugh, I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
No problem. Leave it to me.
That door is always sticking. Give it a big tug.
Yep, give it the Hulk strength. Hoo-yah! The fine china.
That's the set my mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
Don't worry. I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
I've never had a mother-in-law. From what I hear, I don't know if I'd really want one. Gotta be gentle. Gently. I think the first time around I did it, I slammed one down and she fussed at me.
I think I'll go outside and play with the kids.
That's it. I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here
Okay, we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Me first!
No,
me
me
first!
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn.
And we'll go birthday boy first.
All right, Jason.
Time to use a trick I
let's do
use
the
from
helicopter.
Dragon Ball games. Use the palm of my hand instead of my thumb.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
Airplane. And down you go.
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are. Big muscles.
Well, too bad he doesn't have a whole lot of
Careful,
muscles, but they
hang
can't
on.
weigh a whole lot. Gotta love button mashers. Where's your handout? Uh-oh.
This time you're done for. You're gonna pay for all your crimes, evil one.
Ha! Surrender, weakling. Say your prayers.
Come on, Jason. Hoya!
Give up. I am victorious.
Watch out! Oh! Attack! Attack! Whoa!
Okay, this isn't so bad so far.
Ah! Pay for that. Come on! Oh, that's gonna leave a mark.
Ish. Gotta love the color commentary coming from the peanut gallery.
Ah, continue! Watch out! Yeah! Ha! Ha! Go, Jason! Yeah! Hoya! No!
Haha, perfect.
Let's go. Whoa.
Although because I abused my child, I'll probably get the bad ending.
Coming in?
No, I don't want up the stairs.
Sean? Lunch is ready.
I'll go get him.
Of course, my question is, how did he get upstairs so quick? I mean, shoot, he only walked in the door like 2 seconds before me.
Sean? What's up?
It's Merlin. He's dead. He's dead and it's all my fault.
No, it's not, Sean. Of course it's not your fault.
I'd give anything if you could come back to life.
You know, Sean, there's some things which just have to happen. Even if you don't want them to.
Yeah, ain't that
It's
the
not
truth?
fair, Dad. It's not fair.
Yeah, life's not fair sometimes.
I know.
Unfortunately. And now it's time for the mall. Which unfortunately, if I remember right, is where everything starts the downward spiral. Man, my mom would have beat my ass if I would have ran around them like that. Especially in public.
Oh, I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, we won't be long.
Sure, no problem. We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
Yeah, sadly he starts walking off. Because he's too busy looking at her ass.
Jason!
He's just right there. I ain't got that far yet.
Jason!
Only thing is I wonder if you can actually catch him.
Jason!
And if it would actually change anything.
Jason!
Well, apparently he don't know his name.
Jason!
Yeah, apparently I'm standing right next to him and it doesn't change anything.
Jason, you really shouldn't wander off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please,
A
Dad,
balloon? You
come
just had a
on.
birthday party.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
Great!
You should have had balloons at your
Hey,
house.
champ. What's your name?
Jason,
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
the red one.
Shoot, that clown would freak
There you
me
go.
out.
That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here. Keep the change.
Dang, he handed him like a 20 for a $2 balloon.
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon. I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get him. I'll be right back.
I already know where he's at. I do remember this part.
Jason!
Because this guy's got the same freak out thing that I do
Jason!
as far as crowds go. Don't like them.
Jason! Jason!
Come on, where's that escalator? There's the escalator. Ah, come on. Excuse me.
Jason!
Oh, pardon me. Sorry, trying to find my son. Although, how in the world he got down this far again,
Jason!
I don't understand.
Jason!
It's kind of funny how that happens. Sorry, people. I'm not
Jason!
trying to be rude here.
Hey! Hey, man, watch where you're going!
Jason!
Hey, be careful, right?
Jason!
Where'd that balloon go? There it is.
Jason! Jason, God, you really had me scared.
Hey, man, what's your problem?
Sorry, man. Thought he was my kid. Yeah, see, he's freaking out. You can see by the screen. He's wigging out.
Jason! Jason!
Come on, people. Get out of my way.
Nuts?
Jason!
You nuts? What's your problem?
Yeah, I'm a little nuts. Look, I can't knock your block off.
Hey, be careful, right?
Jason! Shit! Jason!
Now, how'd he cross the road with all that traffic anyway?
Jason! No!
Apparently, he doesn't know how to not cross the road without his parents.
Jason! Jason! Oh my God, no! No!
Yeah, but what about your husband? He's the one that took the brunt of the hit.
Oh my God.
I guess that's a mother. I wouldn't know. Alright, well, when we come back, we'll be back for more Heavy Rain in just a few minutes.